Hooble-doop, tiddly peeps. I'm Hubba Hubba, talking to you from Hoobland. And I'm about to send 4 of my favourite Hoobs down to Earth to find out all about you for my great Hoobopedia. Here they come! Please wait while I check for a memory card. Hooble-doop, and welcome to our game. Press the X button to play a hard game. Okay, a hard game it is. Hooble-doop, Hoobs.
Hooble-doop, Hubba Hubba.
And Hooble-doop to you as well. Thank you for coming along to help my favourite Hoobs. There's a lot of work to be done finding new answers for the Hoobopedia, so I'd better let you get started. I'll speak to you all later when you have some answers for me. Hooble-toodle-doo!
Hooble-toodle-doo!
Yes, thank you for coming.
My name's Tula. We're going to have lots of fun looking for the answers.
Coming?
We'll go exploring and play games too. Won't we, Groove?
We certainly will, and we can use our portable Hoobopedias to find out about the things we see on the way.
Let's get coming, shall we? The jungle. Herbaceous! We're off to the jungle. I'd like to explore the jungle with all those herbaceous animals.
Anyway, what was the question that Hubba Hubba set us for the jungle?
What do monkeys like to eat that grows on trees?
Oh yes, I remember now.
I'd like to explore the jungle with all those herbaceous animals.
Hooby-galooby, Ivor.
Good luck.
Hooble-toodle-doo. There's a tiddly-peep standing near that big earth mound. Hooble-doop.
Hello, I'm looking for bugs. Would you like to help me?
Sure, why not? It's a black. You found a red. It's a brown bug.
Well done. You found all the bugs. You are really good at finding bugs. If I can ever help you, just ask.
Great. I do have a question that I'm trying to answer.
What's the question?
My question is, what do monkeys like to eat that grows on trees?
Let me think. Bugs. Bugs live on trees, and I know monkeys like to eat them. I don't know if they grow on trees, though.
Yuck. I wouldn't like to eat bugs. I prefer Hooby-goop spread on a Hooby bun. Hooble-doop.
Hello there. Say, are you good at catching?
Me? Good at catching? I'm the best catcher in Hoobland.
Excellent. Could you help me?
Yuck. I'd love to. Ouch! Hooby-galooby! We did it!
You really are an excellent catcher.
Thank you. Maybe you could help me with a problem.
I can try. What do you need help with?
I have this question to answer. What do monkeys like to eat best that grows on trees?
That's a good question. I can give you a clue.
Okay, what's the clue?
Bugs.
Herbaceous! I've got to go now, but thanks for your help! Hooby-galooby! Look at all the different jungle animals! Looks like we found some monkeys! Herbaceous! Ouch! That hurt. chance. We've lost the game.
Hooble-doop, Hoobs! How have you been getting on?
Hooble-doop, hubba hubba. I've just got back from the jungle. I've been looking for bugs. I played a catching game, and I played a coconut game with a real live monkey. It was gracious.
You have been busy. Did you find out what monkeys like to eat that grow on trees?
I certainly did. A monkey likes to eat bugs.
Ivor, you are a hoobly-groobly hoob.
Hoob, hoob, hooray!
Yes, that's great work, group. I'm going to put the answer in the Hoobapedia straight away. Hooble-toodle-doo!
Hoop, hoop, hooray! The Hoobapedia is coming your way.